This 2018 Tiffin Allegro Bus 45 OPP, sale pending as a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida, 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Tiffin is 45 feet 0 inches in length and features 4 slideouts, a Bukhara, Glazed Canyon Cherry interior, Sleeps 5, Skylight, stovetop burner, auxiliary battery, smoke detector, leveling jacks, self-contained, external shower, air conditioning, awning, TV, and 90 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, front living area, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear entertainment. This 2018 Tiffin Allegro Bus 45 OPP, sale pending, is built on a Tiffin Powerglide chassis and is powered by a Cummins 450 engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.